What force is needed to begin sliding? Okay, so to begin is static, right? It's starting from rest. Across wet concrete. Rubber on wet concrete. That's this. Right, so it's going to be rubber on wet concrete. Since we're beginning to slide it, it's this. So our static coefficient, right, is 0.70. So the force of friction is mu mg. So that's 0.70 times its big car, right? It's like 5,000 pounds, right? 2.5 tons. Is that right? Yeah. 9.8. Okay. I hope that's right. Yeah. See, 0.7 times 2350 times 9.8 is the force is 16,121. Whoops. I can't talk and write at the same time. Newtons. 16,121 is what that number is there. All right.